The Intersystem Bonding Termination, or IBTB, is part of the Aerotech line of facility electrical protection products from Aeroco. This easy-to-install device provides an ideal method for interconnecting and terminating grounding conductors from electric power, telephone, cable, and satellite television systems. In 2008, the NEC changed its requirements. Article 250.94 specified 3 acceptable methods for bonding systems in a building. Number 1. A set of terminals securely mounted to the meter enclosure and electrically connected to the meter enclosure. Number 2. A bonding bar near the service equipment enclosure, meter enclosure, or raceway for service conductors. Number 3. A bonding bar near the grounding electrode conductor. Since the implementation of the 2008 NEC, more and more states across the country have begun to realize the benefits of Article 250.94. The Intersystem Bonding Termination provides an easy-to-install way to effectively meet this code. According to a national insurance company, lightning causes more than $5 billion in damage each year in the United States. When lightning or other transient events occur, transferred voltage potentials can develop between multiple ground references that are not intentionally or effectively bonded together. Frequently, it is the electronic equipment in the home, such as internet modems, personal computers, and televisions, that is the most susceptible to damage when grounding systems are not interconnected. This can damage electronic equipment or even harm people. Unbonded separate services have caused or contributed to appliance and equipment damage, fires, and personal injury. Proper bonding between connections and electrical power systems will minimize the voltage differences and reduce the chance of damage caused by transients. And proper bonding also provides an increased level of safety for people within the home. To mitigate the damaging effects of transient events, intersystem bonding offers a low impedance connection for grounding different systems and creating an equipotential plane. For more than 15 years, the National Electrical Code has required that ground conductors from various systems be bonded together, but they didn't specify how to accomplish this. For the 2008 NEC code revisions, the telecommunications industry recently submitted and won approval for a proposal for the intersystem bonding termination requirement. The intent was to create a dedicated location for terminating grounding conductors from communication circuits and other systems. Aeroco is a trusted leader in the production of Aerotech grounding, bonding, and lightning protection products. The Intersystem Bonding Termination is specifically designed to meet the requirements of the 2008 NEC Article 250.94, and it is ideal for use on residential and small commercial facilities. The Intersystem Bonding Termination from Aeroco is easy to install, and all of the required mounting hardware and anchors are included. If anchors are required, simply mark where they should be located, drill the 1/4-inch holes, and install the anchors. If anchors are not required, mark the location of the IBTB, drill pilot holes, and use the screw directly on the mounting surface. Attach the grounding electrode or bonding conductor as required, and replace the housing cover. It's that easy. Because it is mounted adjacent to the meter base or service entrance equipment, the IBTB is easily accessible for connection and inspection. It includes corrosion-resistant, stainless steel mounting hardware and features a polymeric base and housing, which is impact-resistant, UV-stabilized, and meets UL requirements for weatherability performance. The IBTB is ideal for use by other trades, including cable television, telephone, satellite, structural lightning protection, security systems, landscape lighting, sprinkler system controls, pet fencing, and more, to make a convenient and easy intersystem bonding connection. There are several different ways to connect Aeroco's intersystem bonding termination to the grounding electrode system in order to meet the intent of the National Electrical Code. First, when the grounding electrode conductor is accessible, the integral lay-in connection clamp permits the direct connection of the grounding electrode conductor to the intersystem bonding termination. Second, when the installation does not permit the direct connection of the grounding electrode conductor, A minimum number 6 AWG conductor can be used to connect the inter-system bonding termination to the grounding electrode conductor using a listed grounding connector. Third, when the grounding electrode conductor is not accessible, the minimum number 6 AWG conductor can be used to bond to the meter enclosure or metallic raceway using a listed device. For more information on how to use the Ibtb or for purchasing information, visit www.arico.com or contact your local Arico representative.